I happen to be in Abiquiu, New Mexico right now. I'm just completing a month-long artist residency at Estudio Corazon at Ghost Ranch. And I have had a blast. There were 7 other artists, all amazing. I learned so much from them and from the environment and just from observing this landscape. And really, I don't know, it gave me the freedom to try new things and experiment. And I just have had a great time. It's flown by, and I hope to get to do it again one day. So I put together some clips of my time here, and I hope you'll enjoy this and get an idea maybe of what this beautiful place is like and why George O'Keeffe was so enamored by it. I mean, when you stay here, you get it. So take care, and thanks for tuning in. Bye. Hey y'all, I'm out in Ghost Ranch for an artist residency. This is my studio, and check out my view. Unbelievable, right? Unbelievable. New Mexico is gorgeous. For the second half of my first painting day, I decided to go out into the field and paint a beautiful old tree in front of some mesas. The wind was really kicking up. It was just gorgeous. So I stayed just a short amount of time, and this is what I did. Okay, this is after 1 hour of painting. It's a very large canvas, and it looks like it's about to rain. The wind has kicked up. So I think I'm gonna head out of here. And oh, by the way, this is the City Slickers cabin that was used in the film. And that is the famous Pedernal that George O'Keeffe painted so much. It's Abiquiu Lake. And this is where I am. To be continued.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Wow, it's so good.
Isn't that fun?
They're gorgeous.
Really nice.
Perfect.
Yeah.
How do you describe Ghost Ranch in Abiquiu, New Mexico? It's a mysterious place, inhabited at different time periods by dinosaurs, Native Americans, Spaniards, cattle thieves, wealthy landowners, and even a famous artist. I think it's the history of this place that I feel deeply in my bones. If energy is neither created nor destroyed, then couldn't all of these animals and people and their stories still exist here now? I think so. When the New Mexico wind blows through the cottonwoods in October and the yellow leaves rattle like bones, I can almost hear their whispers. Please love this place. There's nothing like it.